Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at this question number 3 of this fractions word problem. Now let's look at this question together. Now here is what? A box contains orange, purple, yellow, black beads. Now 1 out of 4 of the beads are orange. Now means that if I were to draw this long model, I know if I cut into 4 parts, what? 1 of the beads will be what? Orange. And he also continues to say that 1/3 of the beads are purple. Wait a minute. See, of the beads, and here of the beads. Means that this beads is actually the what? The total. This is referring to the total. But here say what? 1 out of 4 of the beads. Means that this statement is saying that the total is actually what? 4. But this statement say the total is what? 3. I don't like that. Because what? Because they are referring to the same number of bits, right? But one say is 4 unit, one say is 3 unit. No, these two are supposed to be the same. But they are not the same. So we are supposed to make it the same by looking for LCM. So what is the LCM of 4 and in this case 3? We know it's 12, right? So we are supposed to make it the same because they are referring to the same thing. So I multiply by 3, multiply by 3 to become 12, right? I multiply by 4, I multiply by 4. So now I know what? I know that 3 out of 12 of the orange, 3 out of 12 of the beads are orange, and 4 out of 12 of the beads are purple. And now, that is actually much easier for me to actually cut it and modify and settle this. So, for example, I cut this into like this. 6, and cut. I think we have 12 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now out of this 12 unit, again, how many are orange? I know it's 3. So I know these 3 are orange. And out of how many? 4 out of 12 are purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are purple. Does it make sense? Again, this is very important because I know that these beads and these beads referring to the same thing. That's why I will make it the same. Okay? Now, let's continue the question. Here says what? 1 out of 5 of the remaining buttons are yellow. Now, just a clarification, okay? Just now, the blue color shaded one, the highlighted one, they are referring to the total. But now what they are referring is what? The remaining after I excluded all the orange and the purple. So the remaining is what? 1 out of 5 the remaining is yellow. So they are actually telling you that remaining have how many? 5 unit. But is it 5 unit? Let's check first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that makes sense, right? 5. So out of these 5, how many are yellow? Only 1. So let me just put here. Oops, this is yellow. And here's what? The rest of the buttons, the rest of this will be what? Black. So black. Okay, so I have gotten most of the things already. Now, question. What fraction of the buttons are yellow? So yellow is actually only like 1 unit, right? So 1 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know there are 12. Okay, make sense? Okay, let's move on. Oh, by the way, all this concept I just shared is very, very, very important to solve the rest of the word problems that you'll be seeing even in P5 and P6. Okay? Next part. There were 36 more black beads than yellow. So, black is more than yellow. How many more? 36 more. Let's see. Now, black, let's see. Black, we have how many units? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So black, I have 4 units. Yellow, I know I have 1 unit only. So 4, how many more than yellow? It's 3 units, right? So what the question is saying is that 3 units is equal to 36. Why? Because 4 minus 1 is 3 unit, and they say it's 36 more. So 3 unit is 36, then 1 unit is equal to what? Is 12. So if I know this 1 unit is actually 12, and I know total is actually 12 unit, then how many bits are there altogether? There will be 12 times 12, which is 144. And we are done for this question. Okay, so this is actually a very typical and very common kind of word problems that you'll be seeing. And this is something that I think is fun in math, okay? Those are simple fraction, adding it. Yeah, this is too boring. This is something fun, okay? And I hope you will like this math problem, okay? And that's all from me today. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.